Hello and welcome to Zimsteg Media. In some sad news, Jonisai Maromo, a Zimbabwean journalist based in South Africa, has passed away. He was a journalist with IOL News in Johannesburg, covering news about Zimbabweans in South Africa. His work likely provided valuable insights into the Zimbabwean community's experiences and challenges in South Africa. It is said that Jonisai Maromo died in Zimbabwe on Wednesday while visiting his ailing mother. He was a respected journalist who worked with some of South Africa's most important news institutions. Before joining the IOL newsroom, he worked at the South African Press Association SAPA and later at the African News Agency ANA, where he distinguished himself as a diligent and fearless reporter. He was admired for his personality, relentless curiosity, and his remarkable tenacity to pursuing stories that mattered. May his soul rest in peace. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.